to get rich. 3 powerful concepts that changed my life. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to make money easily while others struggle for years? What if I told you that getting rich isn't about luck, intelligence, or even starting with money, but about 3 simple concepts that anyone can use? Today, I'm going to share these 3 concepts with you. The best part, you can start using them right now, even if you're starting from zero. Concept number 1, upgrade your beliefs. If deep down you believe success is only for lucky people, that money is hard to make, or that you're not the type of person who can be rich, you'll prove yourself right. Not because success is actually out of reach, but because your mind will filter out every opportunity that contradicts your belief. The good news, beliefs can be changed. How to audit and reprogram your beliefs. Your current beliefs about money, success, and life were not chosen by you. They were shaped by your environment, what your parents told you about money, what teachers said about success, and what society convinced you was realistic. But just like a computer program, you can rewrite your internal code. Here's how. Step 1. Challenge the belief. Is it actually true? One of the most powerful ways to break a limiting belief is to question its validity. Let's say you believe making money is hard. Ask yourself, is that actually true? Do all people struggle to make money? Are there people who easily earn millions while doing what they love? The answer is obvious. There are plenty of people who make money effortlessly. The only difference between them and those who struggle, their beliefs and approach. If something isn't true for everyone, then it's not an absolute fact. It's just a perspective. And if it's just a perspective, you have the power to change it. Step 2. Find the source. Where did this belief come from? Most of your beliefs were absorbed at a young age, long before you had the ability to analyze or question them. If you grew up hearing your parents say, "Money doesn't grow on trees," or "Rich people are greedy," you might have subconsciously absorbed the idea that money is scarce or unethical. If you were taught that getting a good job is the only way to succeed, you might overlook opportunities to build wealth through entrepreneurship. The key is to trace back where these beliefs started and recognize that they were never yours to begin with. And if they were learned, they can be unlearned. Step 3. Replace it. What needs to be true instead? Now that you know your limiting belief isn't true and that it wasn't originally yours, it's time to replace it with a belief that serves you. Let's go back to the example. Rich people are greedy. Instead, ask yourself, what if wealth simply amplifies a person's true nature? What if I decide to give back and use money for good? What if being wealthy allows me to help more people? If you consciously choose a new belief that aligns with your goals, you eliminate the internal resistance that holds most people back. If you believe success is difficult, you'll subconsciously avoid opportunities. If you believe money is evil, you'll unknowingly sabotage your financial growth. But if you believe that success is possible for you, you'll start seeing proof everywhere. Concept number 2, master a high-income skill. Beliefs set the foundation for success, but skills create value, and the world pays you based on the value you bring. Look around. Every highly successful person has one thing in common. They are valuable to the marketplace. The simplest way to make more money isn't by working harder or longer hours. It's by becoming more valuable. And the fastest way to do that? Master a high-income skill. What makes a skill valuable? 1, it makes people more money. 2, it saves people time. If a skill helps businesses or individuals earn more or operate more efficiently, they'll pay handsomely for it. Top high-income skills in demand. Today, here are some of the most lucrative in-demand skills that anyone can learn. 1. Sales, the skill that guarantees wealth. Sales is the foundation of every successful business. If you can persuade people to buy a product, service, or idea, you have the single most valuable skill in business. Sales professionals write their own paychecks. The better you are, the more you earn. Entrepreneurs who master sales never have to worry about their business failing. If you can sell, you can turn any product or idea into profit. 2. Copywriting, selling through words. Copywriting is the art of using words to persuade. Every website, ad, email, and social media post that convinces someone to buy something, that's copywriting at work. Businesses will always need strong copywriters because great words does more sales. 3. AI and automation, the future of business. Artificial intelligence is changing everything, and businesses are scrambling to adapt. Most companies have no idea how to leverage AI to automate tasks, streamline operations, or improve marketing. If you become the person who can help them integrate AI tools, you instantly become an indispensable asset. 4. Video editing, powering the content economy. Content is king, and video is the most consumed form of content on the internet. Every brand needs high-quality video to capture attention and drive engagement. Every influencer, coach, and company needs an editor to bring their message to life. Video editing is in massive demand, and skilled editors can charge top dollar. Your skill is your insurance policy. The best part about mastering a high-income skill, no one can take it away from you. If you lost all your money tomorrow, your skill would allow you to rebuild. If your business collapsed, your skill would allow you to start over. If AI replaces jobs, your ability to adapt and learn new skills will keep you ahead. Money isn't your greatest asset. Your ability to create value is. Concept number 3, upgrade your habits. Beliefs shape your mindset. Skills make you valuable. But without the right habits, nothing changes. You can have the best intentions, the biggest goals, and all the talent in the world. But if your daily habits don't align with success, you'll stay stuck. Think about it. Your current reality is simply a reflection of the habits you had 6 months ago. Your future reality will be shaped by the habits you choose starting today. The power of habits. Most people think success comes from one big breakthrough, but the truth is, success is just tiny actions repeated over time. Look at any successful person. Their achievements aren't accidental. They're the result of disciplined daily habits. The question is, are your habits working for you or against you? If you want to transform your future, start with these 3 life-changing habits. 3 habits that will change everything. 1. Wake up early. Own your morning, own your life. The most successful people don't roll out of bed at noon. They wake up early and take control of their day before the world demands their attention. Waking up early gives you more time to focus on what matters, a sense of control instead of feeling rushed, mental clarity to plan and set priorities. Successful people don't just wake up early for the sake of it. They do it because it gives them a winning edge. 2. Read 10 pages a day. Upgrade your mindset. Your brain is like a computer. If you're not feeding it new, empowering ideas, it's running on old programming, beliefs that were shaped by your past, your parents, or society. Reading helps you. Reprogram limiting beliefs that are holding you back. Learn from the best, mentors you might never meet in person. Expand your thinking so you can see new opportunities. If you read 10 pages per day, that's 3,650 pages a year, which is roughly 15 to 20 books. That's like having 15 to 20 mentors teaching you directly every single year. Imagine how much smarter, sharper, and more prepared you'll be after a year of consistent learning. 3. Exercise daily. Boost your energy and execution. If your body isn't operating at peak performance, your mind won't be either. Your health affects everything. Your energy levels. Tired people don't execute. Your mental clarity, a strong body fuels a sharp mind. Your confidence, you move differently when you feel strong. You don't need to train like an athlete. Just move your body every day. Hit the gym, go for a run. Do bodyweight exercises at home. Take a 30-minute walk. Most people think success comes from talent, luck, or one big opportunity. The truth? Success is just a result of tiny, boring, consistent habits that compound over time. Want a different life? Start with different daily actions. Your future self is being shaped right now by what you do today. So the question is, are your current habits leading you toward the life you want, or away from it? Choose wisely. If you take only one thing from this, let it be this. Nobody else has to change for you to win. The world won't suddenly make success easier. People won't suddenly believe in you. But none of that matters. Because the moment you decide that you control your beliefs, skills, and habits, everything changes. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.